is AC motor operation, and we also discuss about the how does AC motor works, and how does a single phase AC motor works, what is the mean by an AC motor, and what is AC motor types. So before the starting our topic, please subscribe our channel to get the more videos like this. First, we simple discuss about the what is AC motor and what is alternating motors. An AC motor works by applying alternating current to the starter winding, which produce the rotating magnetic field. Because the magnetic field rotates in this way, an AC does not need power or a mechanical aids to apply to the rotor. And other one, our how does the AC motor works? An AC motor works unlike than a DC motor, where you send the power to the inner rotor. In a AC motor, using the send the power to the outer coil that may the starter coils and energize in the pairs in a sequence, producing a magnetic field that rotates around the outside of a motor. How does a single phase AC motor work? Single phase AC motor on the same principle as a three phase motor, except they are only run of one phase. A single phase set up an isolating magnetic field that goes back in the further than the rotating magnetic field. Because of that, true single phase has been a zero starting torque. What is the AC motor types? The two main type of AC motors are induction motor, synchronous motor, and the induction motor. AC synchronous motor always realize as a small difference in a speed, because the starter rotating magnetic field and the rotating shaft speed called the self-induced rotor current in a rotor AC windings. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribing and get updated video. Please press the bell icon. Thank you.